Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the correct meter dose inhaler and spacer. This matters because devices vary in spray speed and particle size. Once confirmed, shake the inhaler 5-10 seconds to mix medication. Removing caps prevents blockage. Attach the inhaler to the spacer until it clicks, and position yourself sitting upright or standing to open airways. Exhale slowly away from the spacer to empty your lungs, which readies you to inhale a full, effective dose. Now focus on timing. Press the canister once into the spacer and immediately start a slow, deep inhalation within 1 to 2 seconds. This synchrony ensures medication reaches lower airways. Continue inhaling for about 3 to 5 seconds so particles travel deep, then hold your breath for 8 to 10 seconds to let medicine settle. After you exhale slowly, wait 20 to 30 seconds before repeating if a second puff is prescribed. This method boosts delivery and reduces oropharynx. To finish, replace both caps to keep components clean. If you used a steroid inhaler, rinse and spit to lower thrush risk. Clean the spacer about once a week in warm, soapy water, rinse and air dry. Avoid abrasive cleaners that can change charge and reduce delivery. If you notice no mist or poor symptom control, check the seal between inhaler and spacer. Confirm the canister isn't empty, inspect the spacer for cracks, and repeat technique training with a provider as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.